Good morning, students. Today, I Ketan Parmar, as an English teacher. Today, we are going to understand topic number 8, nouns and gender. Nouns means name of anything that is visible or invisible. Gender is divided into two parts, male gender or female gender. So, today we are going to understand masculine, feminine, common and neuter genders. Today we are going to talk about four types of gender: masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Each and every gender is having its own definition. So we are going to understand each and every gender deeply. In English grammar, nouns are classified into four genders. In English grammar, nouns are classified into four genders. First one, masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Let me talk about what is masculine. The meaning of the masculines, it is based on male part of person or male part of animal. Clearly mentioned that the masculine gender denotes male person or animal. For example, father, it is masculine, mother, that is feminine. So here I talk about two human being, male gender or female gender. If I shift this gender into the animal, then I can say lion is a part of animal, but it is considered as a male animal, and lioness is a part of female gender and it is considered into the animal. Some examples are there, you can observe in the box. Father, it will be transferred when we talk about feminine, it becomes mother. So father का feminine होगा mother, father mother, sister brother, grandmother grandfather. Then second thing, cock, it is a part of particular bird and it is hen. Cock means it is a male part and hen is the female part. Now we will talk about common gender. Parent, sometimes we call parents meeting. Why do we use parents meeting? Because we used to invite mother and father both, that is why we use parents. But if you want to invite only single mother or single father, then we can consider them parent. If you like to invite only father, then it can be considered as parent. If you would like to invite only mother, it is also considered as parent. So parent is classified with two forms, mother or father, and both are common. Bird, either male bird is there, either female bird is there. Neuter gender means a non-living thing. For example, chair, table, fan, tube lights. These all things are considered into neuter gender. Why? Because they cannot take breath. So non-living thing is included into neuter gender. Common can be considered, for example, artist, singer, doctor, nurse, teacher. So these all are things common gender. Why? Because teacher can be a male also or teacher can be a female also. Student can be a girl also or student can be a boy also. That is why it is common gender. Feminine, female part of person or female part of animal. Masculine, male part of person or male part of animal or bird. Examples and examples and definitions are there. I would like to read one by one. The masculine gender denotes male person or animal. As I explained, the masculine gender denotes male person or animals. The feminine gender denotes female persons or animals. Same thing is there, just gender is changed. The common gender denotes either male or female persons or animals. The common gender denotes either male or female persons or animal. Here there is a combination of male or female and it becomes common gender. As I say, teacher, parent, doctor, nurse. So whichever name I have spoken, it is classified into two way. If I say bird, so we cannot say only female bird is there. There is male bird is also there. If I say teacher, so I cannot say only male teacher is there. Other side, female teacher is also there. That is why common gender included two things. Now the neuter gender denotes place and things. Underline the place and things. Why? Because place and things cannot breathe. Broom, dustbin, chair, table, phone. Can you believe that, or can you say that these things can be taken, or this thing can be considered as a living thing? No, not at all. Now B. How the genders are formed, that we learn. B, the box B, formation of the feminine of genders. Formation of the feminine of nouns. So masculine and feminine. Add es to the masculine form, sometimes changing the spelling. For example, count means single count, and when it is feminine is countess. What is supposed to be added here? ESS. Here definition clearly mentioned that add es to the masculine form, sometimes changing the spelling. For example, count. So आपको क्या करना है, इधर ई और डबल एस ऐड कर देना है. डक, डचिस, master, it is a masculine, or mistress is the feminine. So among these three words, what will you do? Just add ESS at the end of the word. Second, use different words before or after the masculine or feminine form. Use different words before or after the masculine or feminine form. What we supposed to do here? We supposed to just change the word. We supposed to change the word before the word or after the word. Main servant means it is considered into the masculine, but there is also maid servant and it is a part of feminine. He goat, she goat. So there is no other name for female goat or male goat. Both are having same name, but we can just add he or she. Landlord, landlady. So it can be a landlady also, or it can be a landlord also. Landlord will be continue into the masculine and landlady will be continue in the feminine. Third, use an entirely different word. Entirely different word, totally different word. Totally different word. Stag, hind, monk, nun, bull, cow. So use an entirely different word. Stag, then hind, monk, then nun, bull, then cow, wizard, then witch. So this is the information about 4 genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter genders. I hope you are clear about this. Now we will move to understand exercise properly. Please take your they all words what I have. See, when a noun changes from the masculine gender to the feminine gender in a sentence, the pronouns must be also changed. Means pronouns are the words which use instead of a noun. If we sometimes we do not repeat the same noun or names in the single sentence, at that time we supposed to put pronoun, and the list of the pronoun is like that: he, she, it, her, she, we, you, they, themselves, ourselves, himself. These all words what I have spoken, these all are considered as pronoun. Now we will understand masculine and feminine. So here masculine will be changed into the feminine with the different pronoun. The king went into the palace. So what is the different word? If you do not want to take king, then queen. The queen went into the palace. So king and queen both are just noun. Now we supposed to replace this noun with the pronoun. He ate his breakfast. So king is a male person, that is why there is a pronoun he. So he ate his breakfast. So his pronoun used for word he. He ate his breakfast. So queen is a female part, that is why she. So she ate her breakfast. So you find the words which are in red color. She used for queen and her used for she. Second, his uncle is a hero. His uncle is a hero. So his uncle. So her aunt is a heroine. So his is pronoun and her is also pronoun. He always plays his part well. So he is a part of masculine, that is why he, and he always plays his part well. She is a feminine, that is why she always plays her part well. Exercise 2. Rewrite the following sentences using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. My uncle has a car. My uncle has a car. He goes to the office in his car. So here there are 3 words underlined: uncle, he and his. So what is the feminine word for uncle? What is the opposite gender of uncle? That is aunt. So what is the answer will be there? My aunt has a car. Now he. What is the opposite gender of he? She. Okay. So she goes to the office in his car. What is the opposite gender of his? Her. So her car. Now answer is, my aunt has a car. She goes to the office in her car. He is a good actor. He always plays the part of a wizard. So how many words underlined there? He, actor, he or wizard. So here we supposed to change them with their opposite gender. He becomes she. Why? Opposite of the he is she. That is why she is a good actress. So actor is the male part. And what is the actor? What is the opposite of the actor? That is actress. She always plays the part of witch. So wizard, opposite of the wizard is witch. Third. His nephew and his brother came to see him. So what is the opposite of his? That is her. And what is the opposite of nephew? That is niece. And what is the opposite of brother? Sister. And what is the opposite of him? Her. Her niece and her sister came to see her. He is the man who saved your husband's life. You must thank him. So what is the opposite of he? And it is pronoun. So this pronoun will be changed with the she. So she is a woman. What is the opposite gender of man? That is woman. Who saved your. What is the opposite of husband? That is wife's life. You must thank her, because opposite of the him, that is her. What kind of a woman is she? What kind of a woman is she? So what is the opposite gender of woman? That is man. And what is the opposite pronoun of she? Is he. So what kind of a man is he? The mistress of the house asked the maid servant to bring her breakfast. So mistress and maid servant both are feminine gender. And now let we find the what is the opposite gender of them. The master. So master of the opposite gender of mistress. So master of the house asks the what is the opposite gender of maid servant, that is main servant, to bring her breakfast. So what is the answer now? The master of the house asks the main servant to bring his breakfast. So it is the topic that I wanted to clear in your mind. I hope you understood. Now I will send the picture of this exercise, so do not worry about that. You can write in notebook as well as textbook also. Thank you.